In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test audio and speakers before your Zoom meeting. Before you hop into any call, running a quick audio check can save you from awkward silence or missed introductions. We'll walk through the built-in test in Zoom so you know exactly what you'll hear and how you'll sound. This works on the Zoom desktop app and is similar on both Windows and Mac. If you plan to use headphones or a USB headset, plug them in first so Zoom can see them. Start by going to Zoom. Open the Zoom app on your computer, or visit the Zoom website and launch Zoom from there. Sign in if you need to, so you have access to all the meeting controls. Now join or start a Zoom meeting. You don't need anyone else on the call. Starting a meeting by yourself is perfect for testing. This puts you in the familiar meeting window where the audio tools live. Look at the bottom toolbar of the meeting window. On the left, you'll see the microphone icon and the audio label. If you see a Join Audio button, click it so your computer connects to audio first. Once you're connected, you'll have full access to the audio settings you need. Click on Audio to make sure you're connected and that the controls are active in the meeting window. You should see the microphone icon along with a small arrow next to it. Next, click on the arrow up icon next to the microphone or audio button. This opens a menu with your available speakers and microphones, plus a link to the testing tool. It's the quickest way to switch devices and verify everything is set correctly. Click on Test Speaker and Microphone. Zoom will play a short ringtone to check your speaker. If you hear it, confirm to continue. If you don't, use the speaker dropdown to cycle through devices. Try your headset, external speakers, or built-in speakers, until you hear the test tone clearly. Make sure your system volume and Zoom's volume slider are turned up and that any headphones are properly connected. After the speaker test, Zoom moves to the microphone test. Speak at a normal volume. If you hear the playback, great. If not, switch the microphone drop-down to a different device, like your headset mic or built-in mic, and watch the input level meter to ensure your voice is being picked up. Finally, select a speaker you want to use for the meeting. Choose the device that sounded best in the test and confirm your choice. Close the testing window, and you're ready to go. Zoom will remember your selection, and you can always revisit the arrow menu if you switch devices later.